Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 346, why solution updates aren't in the Power Pages area. It's a good idea to check to see if you have the latest solutions for your Power Pages sites on a regular basis. While there is a button to check this in the Power Pages area of the Power Platform Admin Center, if any updates are available, you will leave the Power Pages area and go to the Environments area. Ever wonder why that is? Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. If you select a site when looking at the list of Power Pages sites in the Power Platform Admin Center, you'll get the option to check portal packages for upgrade. If you click that, it will check if there are any new solutions available, and if so, you have the option to go to the environment area to upgrade the packages. This is because solution package updates are done at the environment level. It isn't possible to upgrade the solution package for just a single site in an environment. Any upgrade will apply to all relevant sites. By taking you over to the environment area, you'll see the list of sites in that environment. That gives you a better context to make the decision as to when you want to apply those updates, since you can see all the sites that it could impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 346 on why solution updates aren't in the Power Pages area useful.